This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, Curtis and his friends head out west to the lodge at Chama in New Mexico to float the San Juan River. This will be one fish-heavy show as they go on the hunt for some of the most beautiful trout in the country. This float was jam-packed of epic fishing, so stick around.
Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yeah!
Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles.
You know, our week in July has turned into an annual trip out at the lodge at Chama. I invited a few friends, and we had like 20-some of our really good friends and family. This week is just about getting everybody together. Yvonne, who runs the lodge at Chama, fishes with us. That's something that's been a tradition, and we really look forward to. And again, having my family there, there's nothing better. So y'all are going to enjoy this show. We're going to take a second here. Terry, the head guide, he's leading us into some casting instruction, and I think he's trying to teach me how to cast.
11 and 1 on the clock, okay? 11 and 1. So when you're coming up, you're stopping, pausing, going forward. Longer the line, the longer the pause. Okay, see how long I paused right there? Now on a short line, you don't got to do that, okay? Longer the line, the longer the pause, okay? The reason for that, you have to let this rod, it's called loading.
As the evening comes to an end, the group gets prepared for tomorrow. Tomorrow's plan is to float the San Juan River and go after some of these New Mexican trout.
Well, today we're going to be doing mostly nymphing,
Okay.
which is a strike indicator with a weight and then 2 flies below that. That's the way most of us do it. They have to be barbless hook. So what we're going to do is cast it up side of the boat, watch the indicator. If it twitches, any movement, or sometimes it'll go under, just set the hook. You don't set hard, just lift it. Get them, if you can, get them on the reel. If not, if you like to feel more comfortable stripping in, you can do it that way too. And then just play the fish. These fish will fight pretty hard, which you guys know from last time.
Right.
So you've got to take your time on them. And we're using anywhere from 5X to 6X tippet, which is, you know, real light tippet. So you just take time, and our flies will be anywhere from size 18s to all the way to 24s. That's what we'll be throwing. So it just, you guys will get used to it. It's not that hard. You just listen to your guide, and that's all you got to do, and we'll all do good.
The San Juan River in New Mexico is a significant tributary of the Colorado River and an important natural, cultural, and recreational resource in the region. The San Juan River is below Navajo Dam and is world famous for trout fishing. About 4.25 miles of the river are designated special trout waters. Known for large rainbow and brown trout, it's a top destination for fly fishing.
Nice. Let go line.
Yep.
There you go. Now you go.
All right.
Man, he's strong, Curtis.
Yes, he is.
He's a smart fish. That fish is strong.
Okay.
Nice brown. Huh?
Thanks, brother.
That's a good one.
Thank you, man.
That's
Thanks.
a good one.
That's good.
Brownie. Okay, now just take your time. Let go of the reel, let go of the reel. Keep your tip up higher. There you go, Shelly, just like that.
Good job, Shelly.
Good job. Let's double it up, Curtis, right
Okay,
here.
all right.
Let him run, Shelly. Let me check your drag.
Nice fish.
And now start raising your tip up. You want to point it at the sky, just like that. A little bit higher. There you go, perfect. Reel up a little bit more. Zip your
A
arm.
brownie, baby.
There
Brown
you go.
Town.
Brown trout.
Way to go, Shelly.
Good job.
Good job, Shelly.
I can't pass up an opportunity to fish it with San Juan.
Yeah.
On the San Juan River with Dave.
And you caught a lot of good fish on that trip.
I did.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Right off the bat, caught a brown.
Yep.
It was gorgeous. The colors were beautiful.
While Curtis and Shelley continue to chase trout, the rest of the boats join in on the fun.
So, Todd and Angelina, we get you guys to come out during the 4th of July, America's birthday, and finally go on a trip with us. I've been asking you guys for 20 years to go on a trip with us. Why this time, Todd?
Well, Chama's definitely a great place to come to first.
Yep.
And it fits everything that we wanted to do, fishing, great lodge and food. And Angelina was willing to come to an exceptional lodge. So, and our lifestyles were slowing down a little bit now. So
Yep.
I look forward to more trips with you.
Yeah. And the rumor is that you may have outfished your husband.
Oh, yes.
I don't know that I did. I tried.
Yeah.
I think on the San Juan, she was very close.
Very close.
And we clearly had the highest fish count in the boat competition for sure.
Fishing the San Juan River is a rewarding experience known for its high numbers of large trout, but requires technical skills and preparation due to the river's selective fish. Anglers can enjoy catch and release fishing in the quality water section, which features large trout feeding on small insects. The Lodge at Chama is a luxurious ranch and hunting resort in northern New Mexico, offering guests opportunities for big game hunting, trout fishing, and other recreational activities, all within an expansive 36,000-acre property. The lodge provides high-end accommodations, world-class cuisine, and personalized experiences for individuals, families, and corporate groups. To make your very own reservation at the Lodge at Chama, give us a call or check us out online.
Yvonne puts up with me all year in this planning. I got 2 people here for room 19. I got 2 people want to fish the San Juan. These people want to go to the high mountain lake. Yvonne's always like, Curtis, we're gonna make it happen. When I say the Lodge of Chama is like home to us, it is like home. And everyone from Yvonne to Marianne to Colleen to all their guides, they make us feel family. And that's why this trip is really special to us.
Raise up. Tight.
There you go.
Keep it tight. Keep it tight.
You got it.
Big
Good job, Tig.
Throw yours to the back.
Oh.
Just wrong. Throw yours. There you
Good job, Tig.
go. That was awesome. She cast right to the rise and set the hook. Whoa, let him run a little bit. Okay. There you go.
You're good.
Okay, right there. You're done right there. Now you're just gonna lift with your
Just lift the rod.
hands. Lift it up. Excellent. That's
Oh,
a
gosh,
good
that's
fish.
a big fish.
Yeah, that's a good one. Nice, right there. You're good. Now just use the
Good
rod. Raise him with the rod. Lift.
That's how he uses it. I'm sure, I can tell.
Nice and easy. Your rod tip's gonna go over my head. Now lift up.
Oh, good job, Tay.
Ooh, that's a big fish. It's gonna be a good one.
Yeah, I can tell.
You can feel the difference.
Yeah, I can tell the difference.
Great fight. That was a good hook set. Good fight. You let go just at the right time before the flies broke off. Great job.
He's
Took
a
your dry fly.
Oh yeah, that's a bigger fish. Oh. Huh?
Raise up that way.
There was 2.
Raise up that way. There you go.
Wow, that is a bigger fish.
That's beautiful.
What an epic trip so far. But before we go to a commercial break, join FRC staff member Charlie as he meets up with Jack from Fish Pond to check out their latest gear.
Jack.
Charlie, how you doing?
Good, how's
Good
it
to see you,
going?
man.
Good to see
Really
you.
good. Welcome to the pond.
Yeah, it's been a little bit of a long drive. It's 24 hours straight to
You guys have been
Denver with
everywhere.
the crew. Yeah, the whole Fly Rod Rock.
No,
Chronicles
not
crew.
looking worse for the wear though.
We're trained professionals at this point with long distance.
Well, you're
So,
among friends and family now.
Yeah, it's great to actually be here and see all the product in person. We've got, I think, most of the product at this point. Over the umpteen years we've all been using it, but
We get a lot of
yeah.
folks coming in that are in that same situation. They're just looking for what's the one thing in here that I don't have.
Yeah. We might leave with it today. We'll
Yeah.
see.
Good.
If you want to see the full-length gear review, check it out on the Fly Rod Chronicles YouTube channel.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, no, thank you, Jack.
Appreciate it.
Sure.
And safe travels,
Hey,
really.
yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
a couple parting gifts for you guys.
Oh, sweet.
Want to make sure you're styling on the road out there.
Yeah.
Want to make sure everybody knows Fish Pond family's coming through.
Yeah,
That's when you
yeah.
come down to the office, your family.
Ah, thanks, man. We appreciate
Thank you,
it.
guys.
We'll wear it with pride.
Oh. Nice fish, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, we worked for it, didn't we?
Yeah.
We got him, man. That was a perfect set, Curtis.
Thank you. He cooperated. Yes, sir, Dave. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, there we go. On a dry.
On the dry.
current bad.
I can't face it again. I'm riding a magic carpet. I'm full of wind and rain. I'm never coming back to feel this pain.
Nice.
I'm chasing a hurricane. I'm chasing a hurricane. I'm chasing a hurricane, and it feels just like I'm going insane. They say the sunrise is the best after the storm, but I can think about tomorrow when you're walking away. When you're walking away. When you're walking away. I'm riding a magic carpet. You are the wind and rain. I'm never coming back to feel this pain. I'm chasing a hurricane. I'm chasing a hurricane. I'm chasing a hurricane, and it feels just like I'm going insane.
Look awesome.
I'm chasing a hurricane.
Doing a good job there, girl.
Yeah, yeah.
Raise up. Raise your arm up.
Ooh, he didn't like that,
One more
did
time. Raise up higher. There you go.
he? Nice. Oh, that's a good one, Shelly. Daggone. I gotta get a picture of that. Ha ha!
So nice. Thank you. Awesome.
Shelly,
Woohoo.
good fish. So, David, another good trip down here on the San Juan with elite fly fishing.
Yep, another great day again. We did awesome.
Yeah, yeah. Doc and I, we got a double. It was so cool. What a cool day. And just real quick, David, for people who wants to book a trip with you, what's the easiest way to book?
They can call me at area code 505-608-8543 and ask for Dave, or look me up at eliteflyfishing.org.
Man, you guys got it going on down here. You really do.
Thank you.
This was incredible. Thank you, guys. We appreciate you.
We appreciate
Yep.
you guys.
Yep.
Yes,
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Jacob.
Mary Ann, what do we got going on here for tonight and tomorrow?
Well, first of all, I'd like to thank you all for coming for the second annual Fly Rod Chronicles extravaganza and our first ever cookout
Very
with
cool.
your group.
Very
Did you
cool.
like it? Is everybody
Yes.
full?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Awesome. I want you all to stay out here and enjoy the fireworks in the next, should be starting right about 9 o'clock.
And thank you to everyone that did this trip. I mean, you guys make it so special, and it's kind of a pinch me. The first time I walked in this place, and just was like, when Frank said, "How can we get Fly Rod Chronicles involved?" And I was like, "Are you serious? A little kid from West Virginia that put this show together, and we get to come to such a nice place." And again, thank you for having us.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Count your